Hey everyone, I'm Aaron with Practical Tactical and Prep. We're a family-run business and veteran-owned, and I wanted to kind of give you an idea of what we're about. Here at the shop, we have a huge table filled with different firearms that you can actually put your hands on. Here's an example right here. So I'm a certified SIG and Glock armorer, and with that, I actually put together a Glock 19 clone, put all the bells and whistles on it. Just as one example where you can put your hands on the actual firearm. We do try to cater to the first-time buyers so that when you come in, you may have already had an idea of a brand or the caliber that you're looking for, where you actually can put your hands on it. Unfortunately, we don't have a gun range, but there's plenty of options for you to choose from, and we're always happy to order whatever we don't have in stock.